So what's up? Hello, Ligan. This is your DJ speaking, Jermax. Oh, sa itong mag-request ng mga kanta. You can call us now. So, tawag-tawag lang. Let's go! So, let's go. Our first caller for today. So, let's pick up.
Hello, DJ Jerbax. Pwede mag-request og kanta, DJ Jerbax?
So, what's up, first caller? So, what is your request?
Mag-request og kanta, Kubakong.
Tobacco. So, for a while, I will check your
Sikat kasi na kanta, DJ.
Sorry, but Alvin, we don't have that kind of song. By the way, can you sing it for me?
Nani DJ iwan ko ba kung bakit type kita, DJ oy?
That bad caller. So, okay, second caller. Let's go. I hope this one is have a good request. Okay, second caller. What is your name?
Morning, DJ Alfred ni.
Alfred. School, Alfred. What is your request?
Ang pinakasikat na kanta, Kamuning. Let's go, DJ.
Kamuning. Wait, I will check your request. Kamuning. Sorry, Alfred. We don't have that kind of song. But you can sing it for me. Maybe you
May
can
problema,
have your
DJ.
own
Kantahan mo
title,
ko.
song title. You can sing it for me, please.
Nung any, Kamuning, get me, get me, get me. Kamuning, Kamuning, get me, get me.
Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Maybe we just stop the song request for today. We have too many nonsense songs. Oh, Jermax TV, peace out, baby.
1, 2, 3, let's go!